Looking for the smartest kitchen gadgets that can save you time, make cooking easier, and upgrade your kitchen without breaking the bank? You're in the right place. Today, we're counting down the top 5 best Amazon kitchen finds that are practical, highly rated, and loved by thousands of happy customers. From clever cooking tools to must-have kitchen accessories, these picks can make everyday meal prep faster and more enjoyable. Be sure to check the product links in the description below to see today's prices, read customer reviews, and find the best deals before they're gone. Product 5. Glass Olive Oil Sprayer. Cooking with messy bottles always leaves oily countertops everywhere. Some days, too much oil ruins a healthy meal. Air fryer food can turn uneven when oil pours badly. Salads and BBQs need control, not random splashes. That is why this 2-in-1 oil sprayer helps. It sprays a fine mist for even, precise coverage, or pour smoothly when you need more control. The nozzle gives steady spray or a clean stream. Each spray uses just 0.15 grams of oil, so you can cook lighter without sacrificing flavor. The BPA-free glass feels safe, clean, and durable. No unwanted odor, no harsh materials, just shin in cooking. It keeps your kitchen organized and your hands cleaner. Perfect for home cooks, air fryers, salads, and BBQ. Check the link in the description to see today's price and grab yours before it's gone. Product 4. 9-in-1 Pressure Cooker. Tired of juggling dinner, sides, and cleanup every night? Cooking after work can feel like a never-ending chore. That's where the Instant Pot Duo Plus comes in. It's a 9-in-1 multi-cooker for everyday kitchen versatility. Pressure cook, slow cook, steam, sauté, or make yogurt. You can even warm food, sterilize items, and cook rice. The 6-quart size fits family meals and meal prep. Stainless steel design looks sleek and cleans up easily. One-touch programs make cooking feel surprisingly simple. The progress display helps you monitor everything at a glance. Need dinner fast? It cooks up to 70% faster. From soups to grains, results come out consistent and tasty. Plus, the app gives you 800+ recipe ideas, so you'll never run out of easy meal inspiration. Tap the product link in the description to explore all the features and current deals. Product 3. Garbage Disposal Cleaner Pods. Think a clean sink only needs water and hope? Hidden food residue keeps building inside disposals and pipes. I recommend Rejuvenate Disposal Cleaner for weekly maintenance. Its bioenzymatic pods help break down leftover food waste. That means less buildup, fewer blockages, and smoother drainage. Each pod activates into a fast-acting, foaming cleaning solution. The foam reaches deep into the disposal and pipe walls. It also helps neutralize unpleasant odors at the source, so your kitchen smells cleaner, fresher, and more inviting. The lavender scent makes routine cleaning surprisingly pleasant. Just drop in one pod, run water, and let it work. Homeowners love the easy weekly care and dependable freshness. It is ideal for kitchen sinks, disposals, and pipes. Choose Rejuvenate for a cleaner, fresher, better maintained disposal. Don't miss out. Click the link in the description to check the latest price and availability. Product 2. Silicone Spoon Rest. I was one sauce drip away from losing my mind. The counter looked like a crime scene after dinner. Spoons everywhere. Tongs here, spatulas there. Total kitchen chaos. I blame my cooking, my timing, even the recipe. Then I noticed the real villain hiding beside the stove. A tiny spoon rest? That could not be serious. But this Zule silicone holder changed everything instantly. Raised edges trapped every drip before it reached the counter. 4 slots kept each utensil separated and within reach. No more frantic searching, no more cluttered cooking disasters. It stays put, even near heat, thanks to the non-slip base. And after the feast, the dishwasher handles cleanup easily. Suddenly, my kitchen looked calmer, cleaner, and shockingly organized. This is the spoon rest every home cook deserves. Ready to upgrade your kitchen? Check the product link in the description for more details and today's best price. Product 1. Best Herb Scissors. I stared at the herb pile already defeated. Dinner was waiting, but the basil fought back. Every chop felt messy, slow, and embarrassingly uneven. Then the kitchen turned silent as if hiding a secret. I reached for the upgraded 5-blade herb scissors. 5 sharp stainless steel blades sliced through instantly. Fresh parsley, mint, and cilantro fell perfectly cut. The ergonomic non-slip handle stayed secure and comfortable. No slipping, no straining, no more frustrated hands. Even cleanup felt shocking, thanks to the brush. The protective cover combed away stubborn residue fast. Suddenly, herb prep became the easiest part. Salads, garnishes, and cooking looked instantly more professional. This is the must-have kitchen gadget I recommend. Get yours now and conquer herbs effortlessly. Click the link in the description to see why thousands love this product and check the latest price today. Enjoyed this? Like, comment, and subscribe.